Come see Lyco Manufacturing at the upcoming 2025 Eats Expo, October 28th through the 30th in Chicago at booth number S4118. Hi, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. Lyco has been an industry leader in cooking and cooling pasta, rice, vegetables, and dry beans, as well as chilling food service hot-filled flexible pouches of soups and sauces. This year is very exciting as Lyco will be exhibiting our two latest technologies. Just being released is our newest solution called VersaFlow. This was designed for smaller capacities with quick changeovers that can happen within just a few minutes. It was designed for running multiple products in a day and is very versatile because it can run all vegetables, including potatoes, as well as long and short pastas and dry beans, grains, rice, and proteins. Products are preloaded in a pre-staged tote bin. A bin dumper is integrated into the system for loading product into the cook chamber. Once your recipe cook time is finished, product automatically dumps into the chilled water cooling chamber. When the cooling time and the temperature is met, it discharges either onto a shaker or another tote bin for the next operation. Both heating and cooling chambers have Lyco's patented HydroFlow technology for uniform cooking and cooling. Lyco's second new solution that we will be featuring is TemperFlow, which works best for fully cooking rice, potatoes, and dry beans. The TemperFlow rice cooking solution is ideal for fully absorbed low moisture rice. This newest innovation is a game changer in the rice industry, producing the highest quality and uniform product. It can also produce sticky rice for products such as sushi, and it's ideal for products that need to add broth and seasoning for further processing after absorbing into the rice. TemperFlow is also ideal for par cooking or fully cooking navy, pinto, kidney, garbanzo, lima, baby reds, black beans, black-eyed peas, or Great Northern, depending upon your finished product, whether it's for IQF beans, dehydrated beans, hummus, or for salad bars. In addition, the TemperFlow system is also ideal for fully cooking potatoes. Lyco experts will also be on hand to update you on our newest features on our high-capacity, clean-flow cooking and cooling for ready-to-eat lines. For chilling hot-filled flexible pouches of soups and sauces, Lyco is just releasing our Mini Flex Chill Flow. This small compact design can run in either batch mode or continuous mode and can be used for sous vide cooking and cooling. Depending upon the application, Lyco also offers internally fed and externally fed screens for total plant wastewater or dewatering product from pumping transport systems. To meet sustainability goals, Lyco's water reuse system saved our customers over 3.5 billion gallons of water in 2024. We call this system our sanitary zero maintenance screen, and it is ideal for in-plant applications. So come check out Lyco at the upcoming Eats Expo show, October 28th through the 30th in Chicago. See our newest developments in heating and cooling and liquid-solid separating equipment and discuss how Lyco Manufacturing can help with your application needs. You can also visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.